This is how I set up my light bar. Ran my wiring harness up for here. I hooked the power cable up to the battery. Tucked the remaining fuse and wiring harness and relay switch up and behind here. Ran my ground wire up to the bolt on the back here on the yellow. Then I ran the wire through the hood body, through the molding, the door, and through the fuse panel box, and onto the dash. Toggle switch. It's pretty bright, works good. I prefer my switch up by the high beam and toggle switch here because it's easy access to it when you're driving on the highway.